Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Market channel. I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be talking about some fabulous news with Polestar. Very big information coming out, which will give it huge catalysts moving forward. Also, I did want to talk about Lucid Motors. Why is the stock going up so much? Is it going to maintain that? We're going to be talking about this and more. Before we get down into it and get started, please give me that big thumbs up, keep me alive on YouTube, smash that subscribe button, join the community, hit the little notification bell, hit all so you can get my latest uploaded videos. In addition to this, please take advantage of free stocks. Right now, Moomoo has the best promotion down below in the description below. If you click on my Moomoo link, you will get a free Lucid stock for my viewers only. Right now, it's $45 stock, which is a 45% upside on a $100 investment. Take advantage of that. In addition to this, you will get up to 5 free stocks valued each up to $3,500. So far, my viewers have received Tesla, Apple, and Amazon stock. Don't forget to get your free stocks. Now, without further ado, I did want to talk about Polestar. Now, I did want to share some very good news that Polestar just announced that it did make its EV goals for the year 2021. It was going to be delivering 29,000 of its electric vehicle, the Polestar 2, and it did make that volume. It did make that huge commitment, that ambitious commitment moving up. From year over year, it has increased its production 185%. Enormous growth in this company. It went from a total of 10 sectors, 10 locations that it is selling its vehicle to a total of 19 markets that it went to just in this past year alone. It does have very big ambitions. Moving forward, it will be having some very good news. The merger with GGPI, it's currently trading as, Polestar is currently trading as GGPI, which is Gores Goldenheim. It is a special purpose acquisition company that is very similar to how Churchill Capital acquired Lucid Motors with that reverse merger. A lot of people have been asking me, if I buy GGPI stock, will this be converted to Polestar? The answer is yes. It will be a one-to-one conversion, meaning if you buy one share of GGPI when the merger is said and done, which should be the Q1 of this year, 2021. So it will be probably in the next month or two, but I will keep you updated as we learn that date. But it will be a conversion of 1-to-1. So one share of GGPI will translate to Polestar, which will have a new ticker once this merger happens as PSNY, which will be for Polestar. So very big things to look forward to. This year will be an enormous year for Polestar, as it will continue to establish itself worldwide. It will also be introducing brand new vehicles. It will be producing its Polestar 3, the first SUV of its kind that will be made in the same plant as the Volvo, the XC60. So they will probably be, in my opinion, a very similar dimension-wise. They will potentially share some of the same components. But as you know, Volvo is the parent company of Polestar. It did actually branch off. Just to give you a little history, Polestar was Volvo's performance vehicle. And now it is all electric. They are partnered up with a company in China called Geely. They are making the Polestar 2 in China right now for the world market. However, as I mentioned, that Polestar 3 will be made in the United States in one of the plants that is established for Volvo. So Polestar does have a very nice backing in the sense that it is having a very nice heritage from Volvo. As you know, Volvos are known for its safety, for its quality, but this vehicle is going to be doing fantastic in the years ahead. I think it's going to make a very big impact in the EV industry. Not only this, Polestar is also taking aims at going after Porsche and competing with it with its Cayenne, the SUV Cayenne Porsche electric vehicle. Polestar 3 is going to be competing with that to have the best electric vehicle. And do I think that they can compete? Definitely I do. And let me tell you why. The reason is because of its efficiency. Right now, when you look at all the electric vehicle efficiencies, right now, the top two are Lucid and Tesla have the most efficient electric vehicles, meaning that they consume the least amount of electricity or electrons per amount of distance as they can go per kilowatt hour of battery life. Now, Polestar has a very good efficiency when you do look at this vehicle, as it can go up to 3.8 miles per kilowatt hour. When you do compare this to Porsche right now and Audi are comparatively making about 2.6 miles per kilowatt hour. So you could see a lot more efficiency with Polestar. When you compare Polestar to, let's say, Tesla and Lucid, they are making on average of 4.6 to 4.8 miles per kilowatt hour. So Polestar definitely has a very nice product on its hands. I definitely think that it's going to be a very nice movement upward. I did just want to show you that its stock, this is my sleeping giant. Let me show you how this stock is doing. Just in the past one day, we are actually up a little bit, 2% since that news came out that Polestar did hit its 2021 EV goals of those 29,000 deliveries of the vehicles. But look at this stock. It is still trading quite low. It ended the day at $11.61. In the past 5 days, we are pretty much even. We started off at $11.70. We ended at $11.61. Look at this big dips that we had. We had dips and a stabilization at $11, right above that $11 mark is and has been its stabilization, but we are still needing to test that resistance right now. $11.75 is our resistance, and we can see this in the past 1 month. Again, anytime we went as low as $11, we definitely had a nice push up. We had a lot of retail investors just buy in, but our resistance is for the past month $12. We've only tested it once. I do believe that this company, this GGPI, Gores Goldenheim, is a sleeping giant. I definitely think that this stock, in my opinion, should be worth anywhere from $18 to $20. And that is because Polestar has been valued at being a $20 billion company. When you do compare that to, for example, Lucid Motors, it right now is $60 billion roughly as a company. They are both starting off, but give props to Polestar. It is already producing vehicles and selling them internationally. Just this past year, the past 2021, they delivered 29,000 of its vehicles. Now, their profit margin is not as big as, for example, let's say Lucid, because for every one vehicle Lucid sells, they gain a lot of money from that one sale, versus Polestar will need to sell a lot more vehicles and have that lower profit margin. However, that being said, I do think that this is a sleeping giant. Again, in my opinion, this stock should be worth a lot more than it is right now. And but we have not had any analyst review Polestar or Gores Goldenheim. I do think that once we start having the analysts review this, this will give a nice push up to this stock, and it will be a nice price target. As I mentioned, in my own opinion, it should be about $18 to $20 per share in stock. But let me just show you what Wallet Investor is predicting. Remember, Wallet Investor does use technical analysis and past trading history, and they do project in the next 12 months, in the next 1 year, this stock should be worth about $16 in the next 5 years, $35, just roughly $35. Definitely a nice upside potential on that investment, on your money. But always do your own due diligence. Always do your own risk assessment whenever purchasing these or any other stocks. Also, I did just want to briefly talk about Lucid Group, Lucid LCID stock. Its stock has actually gone up quite a bit. We are now testing a new resistance of $45. We did hear that on January 19th will be the Saudi Arabian PIF, the Public Investment Fund expiration, lockup expiration date. Last time from history, we did learn that something similar happened last year, September 1st, when the PIP, the Private Investment Public Equity Fund, did have a lockup period on September 1st. we had a big sell-off just in a matter of 3 hours, down 22%. Could something like this happen with the Saudi Arabian Public Investment Fund? They own 63% of Lucid stock, which is right now valued at about actually $44 billion now that this stock has gone up in price. Will they be taking some profits? I did show you some news from Arab News in the past videos. I'll try to put a link down below that right now the Saudi Arabia economy does have economic challenges, and they have put in an investment in Lucid Motors to hold this long term to at least 2030 or longer. I definitely do not think that they will be selling. However, I do think that there will be fear out there. I do think that some investors will be fearful and sell this stock. It could give us some buying opportunities, but right now this stock is moving up. It is moving up quite high. I just did want to show you how this stock is performing now. Just in this past one day, we went from $41.80 all the way up to about $45.50. Right now, 8.6% upside on this stock just in today, almost 9% just in today alone. Right now, in the past 5 days, we are steadily increasing. We are up 8 points, almost 8%, having a low of January 6th of $34.79. I have been saying, if you have been watching my videos, under $40 is a great deal in this stock. Under $38 is a steal of a deal. We are getting quite up there. So I am not actually recommending that you buy this stock right now, just because I am waiting for a pullback that should be on January 19th. So try to see if this could give you some pullback and an opportunity to get into this stock. We have seen that in the past 1 month, we have seen a stabilization at about $36.50. But whenever we do go this low, it does not last long. If we do have a pullback this coming January 19th, if we go down about 20%, this will give us about a $9 off price. You could potentially get this under $38. That is the steal of a deal. That is my sweet spot for this stock, in my opinion, but I definitely think that it has great potential in the next 12 months. We still have not heard anything about Lucid's deliveries. We'll definitely keep you updated on that as well. I hope you learned something new. I hope you got a lot out of this video. I apologize about my voice. It is a little bit hoarse. I am hopefully not getting sick, but maybe it's allergies. But please give me a big thumbs up. Keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Hit all to get all my latest uploads. Share this page with your family or friends so we can continue to grow this channel. Also, please take advantage of my link to Moomoo. They are having the best promotion. I can get you right now a free Lucid stock. It is $45 worth stock for putting in $100 into that link. That is a 45% upside on that $100 investment. You can get up to 5 additional free stocks, each valued $3,500. Take advantage of. In addition to this, I do have crypto.com. If you're into cryptocurrency and you need a good platform to trade on, crypto.com allows you to buy a lot of coins ranging from so many variety, also in the metaverse. Definitely take advantage of that. If you open an account using my link, you get $25 so you can trade in cryptocurrency. In addition, if I do have my Coinbase link down below, if you put in $100, you will get $10 in Bitcoin back. So take advantage of these, as these promotions will not last long. But again, thank you so much for watching, for supporting my channel, and have a great day. And I hope to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.